Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw Rivian Waypoint charging payments, detailed guide step by step clearly. To withdraw Rivian Waypoint charging payments, start by logging into your Rivian account through the official website or mobile app. Navigate to the Payments section from your account dashboard. Here, you will find a summary of your recent transactions and charging payments. Locate the specific payment you wish to withdraw. Click on the payment transaction to open the details. Review the transaction information carefully to ensure it's the correct one. Look for the Withdraw option within the transaction details. Select the Withdraw option to proceed with the withdrawal process. Next, choose your preferred withdrawal method. You may have options such as direct bank transfer or payment to a linked account. Enter the necessary details required for your selected withdrawal method. Double-check all entered information for accuracy. After confirming the details, click on the Submit button to initiate the withdrawal. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your withdrawal request has been received. Monitor your email for updates regarding the status of your withdrawal. Typically, it may take several business days for the transaction to complete. Keep an eye on your bank account or linked payment method for the arrival of the funds. If you encounter any issues during this process, refer to Rivian's customer support for assistance. They can provide guidance and address any concerns regarding your withdrawal. Following these steps will ensure a smooth withdrawal of your Rivian Waypoint charging payments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.